Hey, Pest Geek Society, I just wanted to do a video to show you how to properly SEO a video for YouTube. There's a lot of people that are trying to do video production and their videos are not ranking. They're not showing up anywhere and they're just posting them. And you really need to do proper SEO in order to do that. And I wanted to take you through a whole little tutorial on how to properly do keyword research and do proper SEO for your videos when you're putting them on YouTube or on any other platform. Uh, what I would do is get a Google AdWords account, just set it up, it's free. You can just set it up with your Gmail address and you can get that account. And when you go to Google AdWords, you just type in Google AdWords. You go to the tool section and there's two tools that you can use to do keyword analysis. One is your keyword planner, which is what you're using to doing just your posts and anything that you're doing SEO wise. But there's this display planner, and this is the one that is used for figuring out what people are searching for on Google in order to get your videos to rank. And what I would do is I would do a post, let's say on your blog, and keyword that blog using this, your keyword planner, and use the video display planner to keyword and SEO your video. And there's two different sections, but if you click it, you will come out here and it says display planner, it says target and find new ideas, and it'll load up for you right now so you can see it, what it actually looks like. All right, and you would just see where it says search new targeting areas, targeting ideas. I would click that, and then let's say you're going to do a video for how to prevent rodents. Well, you enter your keyword there, and then let's see, rodent. I just moved my screen. Let's see here. All right, so rodent prevention. And you could use a comma to separate it, and then rats, and I would put in rats, comma, mice, and let's see what comes up. And what I would do also is checking to see what people are looking for so you can target it to your specific area. But if you pretty much go there and go down here and it says group, get group ideas, right? And you can just hit cancel on that while it's generating the keyword analysis. You will see what people are actually searching for in YouTube. And that's what this is for, is to help you understand what you got to put, what people are searching for. You can't just put in an SEO what it is that you're wanting to look for. So I would see where it says group ideas. You go down here, it says individual targeting ideas, and then I would move to that. And as soon as my screen comes up, see if we can minus my screen a little bit to help you. Keywords. I don't know why it's acting really slow, but out a little bit more. Here we go. I just zoomed it out. It was too close, and it's not going down. Here we go. All right. So here's what people are typing in. These are the green ones: pest control, rats and mice, rodent control traps, how to get rid of mice in a truck, how to get rid of mice, and this is the best relevance to what you type in. This is the green bars, and this is showing what's the most relevant. So what I would do is, rodent pest control, rodent removal, rodent control, how to get rid of mice. Let's pick rodent control, rodent pest control right here, rodent removal, rodent control. All right, so we're going to go with rodent control for our keyword. And let me show you what we're going to do in YouTube. So we're going to go to YouTube. I'm going to upload a video that you're saying has nothing to do with rodents. But here's what we're going to do. All right, let's go to our my pictures, and I got some videos in there. And let's see here. I think I put it under ducks. Let's see here. Here we go. And we have a video titled Feeding Animals, How to Attract Pest, Rodents, and Rats to Your Business, roaches. So we're going to upload this video, and it's going to start uploading. And feeding animals to attract pests, rodents, and that. Now I can change whatever that description I want it to be. So let's see here, rodent control. Let's type in, since we're going to use rodent control as our keyword. All right, rodent control. And then we're going to put in feeding animals will attract mice and rats. All right, so now we have rodent control, mice and rats, and 3 keywords are in there: rodents, the word control, mice, and rats. And here in your description, here's our view of what we got, and the video's been uploaded. And in the description, you've got a long description you can put in there. And I would write an article, and just like you would for a blog post, and make it keyword rich. You know, in this case, the description is restaurants feed rice to ducks, attracting rodents like rats and mice. Get the idea? You're putting a keyword rich down here, but you also have a keyword rich description. And you might want to put, if you wanted to show up in your city, let's say, because you're doing local SEO and that's what you're focused on. Let's say you put it, let's say in Miami, and I wanted to attract people that are in Miami looking for that. I would do that, and then I would put, you know, you can learn how to prevent and control rodents in your Miami, Miami restaurant. So you want a keyword or food service business. You see, now you got a keyword rich. You know, you've got rodents, you've got mice, you've got restaurant, you've got food services. Anybody's looking for that in your city, guess who's going to show up? You are. So you want to focus. You don't want the whole world. You just want to focus where you're at. Now, tags. Well, here's the tags are very, very important. And you can put up to like 30 tags in here. So if you go to your keyword planner, you see all these words right here that are top words. You can stick those in your tag. So you can copy this. Let me show you how easy this is. You copy that. You go to the YouTube video. You put that keyword in there, and you basically start taking everything that's relevant to what it is that you're talking about. Let me try to, oh geez. There we go. So the number 1 keywords that you're targeting, you're going to put them in there. And you can stick up to 30 words in there and make that keyword rich. Now, you've got your thumbnail and you got to choose which one you want. Choosing a thumbnail, I did the wackiest thing that you can, but there's one right there, and I would just choose that. Now, other things you have to do. Right here, you can choose it to go automatically on your Google Plus page or to your Twitter account. So if you've got a Twitter account and you can get that thing to lock in, and it will show you how to link it. And we're going to authorize the app to get in there. And yep, we're going to log in to my Twitter account, authorize it, and there, it's authorized to. Why isn't it linked? Authorize the app. All right, there you go. So now it's linked to your Google Plus and your Twitter account. So anytime you put up a video, it will automatically post it for you. You don't have to go post it. Now, advanced settings. You need to do your advanced settings. All right. So what type of category is it in? Well, is it an educational? What is it? Training, pets and animals. You know, you choose what you want it to be on the category. Now, what I would do, video location, is make sure you put it where you are, where you're shot. So we're going to look for Miami, Florida, and there's Miami, Florida. Let's say you're in Hialeah where you shot it, you're attracting a specific client from that area. I would just shoot it there. If not, stick to Miami, and that's going to give you the location of where it was shot. The language, you want to shoot any language. If you can stay with English, that's fine. You put the recording date as today. It'll show there. Standard YouTube license, allow embedding, and you're pretty much set on the video. You can set all the language you want to do it for Spanish or whatever. You can set it there, but right there, you keep putting in all those keywords, as many as it'll allow you to put in that you can do, and you don't want to like stuff it, but you want to use things that are relevant to it. All right, and then once you do that, you go ahead and you publish your video, and that video has been, and there is your embed. What I would do is take that embed right there and stick it into your blog and attack it to your blog so that you get people who come to your blog. It shows a backlink now to that blog where it's embedded, and you get a backlink also. And if you want to share it to other places, you can share it to Facebook right there after you've published it. And you're done, guys. You created a video that you SEO'd completely from the get-go. Hope it helps, guys. Take care.